and drive manual at the same time. What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a pretty fun and relaxed Saturday. I'm hanging out with the boys. We're going to Oviedo Cars and Coffee. I'm driving the Evo. This girl hasn't been out on the real road in so long. I haven't really fully tested out my new turbo setup, so I'm stoked to be driving this. And after we go to Oviedo Cars and Coffee, which I've never been to before, we're gonna do some drifting at the compound. So let's get to it. Of course, at the Cars and Coffee in Florida, there is usually no coffee. So we made a pit stop, we got some coffee, and now we're heading over. Oh, Jimmy! Wow, I've never been to this Cars and Coffee. There's actually a lot of people here. I thought this was gonna be like a little small meet. Bro, look at all of these Corvettes. My people. Coffee was actually pretty awesome. There was such a wide variety of cars there, from JDM to American Muscle, even old school American Muscle, a lot of Corvettes. Saw a lot of my Corvette people out there, but that was really cool. And it's so close to the Oviedo house that like I feel like we should go to that one more often. But we are now back at the compound. I got the little doggies with me, Rally, Pete, chilling, hanging out in the Evo. This is their least favorite car to ride in, I will admit that. It's pretty vibraty and not quiet. Guys, I love the new setup on the Evo. My Garrett 25550 is so sick. Oh, Pete wants to come out. It's so sick, you guys, and it sounds so good. Constantly, even just cruising, you just hear the whistle like up and down. It's so nice. Look at her. Embarrassing at the car show because I have not given this girl a detail yet. I want to wait until I can do it properly because there is so much like dirt and grime built up on the car. So we'll be washing her, giving her a full detail very, very soon. And I'm going to be paint correcting this car even more, or potentially repainting some panels as well. But this was an awesome morning, an awesome cruise in the Evo. I'm so glad to be driving this car again. Definitely a few things I want to keep working on, but it's so much fun. So I'm gonna park her back in the garage, and then I gotta figure out what car I'm gonna drift today. I'll probably end up just drifting the Barbie Z because my 3-rotor, I did get the oil a little hot, a little spicy yesterday doing testing on my new BC Racing coilovers. So I don't feel comfortable driving the 3-rotor, even if it's just a little bit around here, because you really, really should change the oil if you got it pretty hot. I don't want to do any more damage. I did stop like immediately after the temps got really high, and now we know what our high oil temps are from. So I probably won't try the 3-rotor, but I'll go get the Barbie Z out here. It'll be fun. Freaking Nick broke an axle on the way to the car show. Went to the car show, we got food after, and he drove back to the compound. So now he's gonna swap that out so he can go drifting with us today. He's doing too many launches on the road. Those blips though, what a flex. Just everyone's flexing here on the compound. I think I'm still gonna hold out. I don't think I'm gonna get any. What do we think about an S14 though, guys? Does it look right? Does it look right with me? I went through a phase where I was literally looking at S14s probably every single day on Marketplace in different states. And then now I'm kind of onto something else. But what do we think? I don't know. S14 or R33? Let me know in the comments below. S14 or R33. But this is the purpose. The purpose is going to be a build that I can, you know, do my style on, not have it be too over the top, and it's gonna mostly be a daily car, not a drift car. So I really am stuck between the R33 platform and an S14. I love both of them. One of them just might be better than the other if I want to drive it like on the highway and have it more as a daily. So let me know, help a girl out. What do we think? What do we think? What do we think? Drifting time. Chelsea and Chelsea also showed up, or Chelsea and Chelsea. They're here in their Mustang, and I'm gonna be doing a new layout today that I've never done at the compound before. It's a usual layout that Adam and everybody else does, but I've never been with a group that is doing it, so that'll be fun. Already doing tandem, so I need to get my butt out there. Chelsea hit a tree or something. Hold up. Your bumpers where?
I don't know. I blew it off on the tree over there.
The one on exit?
No, the one in the S's.
In the, oh.
That super sketchy one.
Oh.
I don't know. We're going to find out.
This is only the first session, y'all, and we're already hitting trees, losing bumpers. I'm pushing like my tandem proximity more than I ever have here at the compound, at least with Adam, so. Sun's going down, we gotta make the most of probably about an hour of sunlight that we have left, but this is just so cool that we can even do this at the compound. Whether we're prepping for an event and need to shake down a car, or when we have all of our buddies in town to be able to just come out here and drift, it is pretty crazy. So I'm in the Barbie Z, obviously. We got Nick in his S14, Adam in his 350Z, Jimmy in his 350Z, Sean is in, I think, S13 coupe that I haven't seen around the compound before. That might be his brother's. And then, of course, we have Chelsea and Chelsea in their Mustang. I hope he finds his bumper. Right, since everyone's out of their cars, I might as well go see what the damage is. Oh, no more bumpers. Chelsea is already going through his bumper budget for this year. Were you behind him when he hit it?
Oh yeah.
Oh, not sketchy at all.
All of the sketch.
This is what happens when you drift at the compound. Dang, I don't know where that happened. I didn't hit anything. I've been talking about this whole bumper situation for like 10 minutes. I don't know if they know that the sun is going down. The sun is now gonna be in our face now, so I gotta get their attention. My tires are done. I heard them there. I've been very abusive to them. Even though we haven't been drifting for that long, I literally have just been doing lap after lap after lap, just building up so much heat in them. And the sun's almost down anyway, so I was just trying to get my drifting in. Well, this drift session also came with some free landscaping. We got that one. We got a little section right here. I think I got a little bit right there. Oh, yep, that was me. Ooh, that was way worse than it felt. And then over here in front of my shop, bro, it's tore up. Right there and right here. There was like no grip right here by the end, but that's all part of it. That's all part of the fun. I think that is going to wrap up this video. I always have so much fun every time I get behind the wheel of the Barbie 350Z. I am so happy to have this car back in Florida so I can just drive it as much as possible. So that is it for this one, and I will see you guys in the next video.